I'm speedrunning Space Tower with my fans. While that guy is trying to surpass me because he doesn't know that I'm the tower god. He fell. He doesn't know the real tower god. Yung kastero, wall hop. Pag hindi ka marunong mag-wall hop ng ganyan.
Aba.
Don't know how to wall hop, so I'm gonna do this. I just know how to wall hop like that. You're gonna go upstairs. Like you know, like that. You know, that kind of wall hop, I can do that. Mako din! So I'm gonna go right there, boom, bang, bang. Go here. This is where I almost fall in every time I play this game. And second video, let's go. I'm more famous in shorts actually, not in videos. Yeah. It's always keep playing, going. I'm always risking it when it's thin and just like that. I'm always risking all of it. Like, I'm risking it. There's a blooper that I fell. No! Because, ooh, there's a higher checkpoint. Wow! I haven't seen a tower with a checkpoint before. But this has a checkpoint. This is my first time reaching here. As my first video, you know that I'm used to doing that. What? Do I go down? No. I sure to go down. Maybe that's a trap. Oh yeah, I do. Okay, I forgot. I thought I could get up. Always pick this one. Always pick this one because that's why I'm picking this one, because sometimes it change. Just kidding. It's always like that. Always pick like the color like this. Do not pick the darker one. Say, Winchester, first tower beaten. Tatalo. Oh no! Oh no! No! I was so close.